Welcome to Learn Polish Podcast, episode number 478. 478. You can find all our episodes on learnpolishpodcast.com. You can get lessons from Marta. Just go to the show notes, both in the audio and the video, and you'll find everything about me, roycollin.com, or scan the QR code. And if you're looking for virtual assistants, go to va.world. Cześć, Marta.
Cześć, Roy.
So, dzisiaj jest piękne, wielkie.
Tak, dzisiaj będzie wilk. Today will be wolf. So we'll be talking about wolf in different contexts. Yes, in Polish sayings. Czy ty znasz jakieś powiedzenia? Some sayings in Polish with wolf?
Like głodny jak wilk. Kind of hungry as a wolf.
Tak, pięknie.
Ja byłem na Toastmasters event i to było od Courage, to było ja, mój imię Roy Collin i
jest wilk. Tak, to zgadza się, jest wilk. Ojejka. To dzisiaj będziemy sobie rozmawiać o wilku w różnych kontekstach. Gotowy?
Gotów.
Dobrze, zaczynamy. The first one, as you mentioned, pierwsze, tak jak wspomniałeś, głodny jak wilk, means famished, hungry as a wolf. Yeah?
Głodny jak wilk.
Głodny jak wilk, czyli jak bardzo, bardzo głodny, prawda? Okay. And by this, I would like to remind you that when it comes to hunger, also is another saying, umierać z głodu, which means like I'm starving. And if you would like to translate it directly into English, it will sound like I'm dying of hunger. Yes?
To jest popularne po angielsku.
Bardzo popularne.
Wszyscy głodno.
So worth knowing. But both of them. Głodny jak wilk. Jestem głodna jak wilk, tak? Umieram z głodu. But this one is for sure is more common. Okay. The next one is like wywoływać wilka z lasu. Wywoływać wilka z lasu.
Wywoływać. That's a hard one.
Yeah.
Lots of W's. Wywoływać.
Tak, wywoływać. And in English, it's like set a stone rolling. Yeah, set a stone rolling. It's like don't provoke, because then unexpectedly this person, this thing can show up. Yeah. So nie wywołuj wilka z lasu, tak? Nie prowokuj, don't provoke. Yeah. Nie wywołuj wilka z lasu. Niech tam sobie siedzi. Yes, then. Okay. And another one, it's o wilku mowa. O wilku mowa. So
the devil.
Exactly. In English, it's like in idiom, which is speak of the devil.
Like
tak?
na przykład, kiedy jesteśmy na pub i rozmawia o naszych przyjaciół, a potem nasz przyjaciół.
Tak, jest tutaj, tak? Ten nasz wilk, yes? It's here, our wolf, yes? O wilku mowa. O mnie, tak? Rozmawiacie? So yeah, exactly, it's like that.
I po angielsku też is like twoje ucho, your ears were burning. I don't know, do you say that in Polish?
Yeah, yes, in Polish we can translate it yes, like that, yeah. So yeah, in Polish it's wolf, in English it's devil. Po polsku devil means szatan. I don't know, do you know?
What? No. What is it?
Szatan.
Szatan. Okay, like Satan. Szatan.
Lepiej also szatan, diabeł.
Diablo. Okay, I've heard Diablo.
Yes,
that's kind of like Hispania as well. Diablo, isn't it? It's kind of similar.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Podobnie.
So yes, exactly. And one, wilk w owczej skórze. Wilk w owczej skórze. It's like similar in English. Wolf in sheep's clothing. Yes, do I pronounce correctly?
Yeah.
Not still. Yeah. Sheep's clothing. A bit different in translation is that skóra basically means like
skin.
the skin. Yes. So like in sheepskin, yeah, if you want to translate it directly. As we know, many idioms we can translate directly. It's one of the example. And the last one is wilk syty I owca cała. So basically it's like win-win situation. But if you would like to translate it directly into English,
Wygra sytuacja, yeah, something like that, no?
wygrana sytuacja.
Na pewno I would never know wielk stytuj w owoce
No. Yes, basically, if you would like to translate directly into English, it will sound like the wolf is full and the sheep is intact. Yeah. So everybody is happy. Yeah.
Może
Wolf
Livi.
is full.
Wszystko będzie szczęśliwe, is like.
Yeah. Basically, also when it comes to this word cały, sometimes in some situation, jesteś cały? So are you okay? Jesteś cały? Yes. So mam nadzieję, że wrócisz cały. So for example, it's like I hope that you'll come back safe. Yes. So basically similar context, yeah? Have you heard probably in the past, tak? Jesteś cały, jesteś cała, tak? To najważniejsze. It's the most important. Win-win situation. Wilk syty i owca cała. And what? It was the last example when it comes to wilk. Obviously, in Polish language, there's more like examples of wilk in the context. If you know some of them, you can share. You can write them down. I will answer or confirm. Do we use it or not? And thank you for this episode.
Dziękuję bardzo na to. So,
Dziękuję.
and if you're looking for lessons from Marta, you'll find a link in the show notes. And also, I love her TikTok, so she's got a beautiful voice. You'll see her singing on that, and it's well worth checking out. You'll find everything about me. Go to roycullen.com, scan the QR code, because I've got 6 podcasts. They're all interesting, they're all different. Check them out. And if you're looking for a virtual assistant, go to va.world. Make sure you comment, let us know if there's anything else, and you want us to do more idioms, because we're there to serve. Until next week, take care.